My dear brothers and sisters, in today's first reading, the last line speaks much about the history of Israel. They shall return to Egypt. Egypt was the place where they started their salvation history. Now, till the time of Hosea, it has been almost 700 years, and Israelites have not made any progress. That's why he says, they shall return to Egypt. They had religious decay, moral decay, and political decay. And in today's first reading, he speaks extensively about religious decay, how they were worshipping idols, how they used their own silver and gold to make calf. During the time of Moses, they had made a golden calf, and Moses had taught them a lesson, but they had not progressed. Idols may promise much, but they cannot speak, cannot heal, cannot guide, and most importantly, cannot save. Idols are made by human hands, but the Lord is the living helper, the protector of His people. But they forgot Him. That's why today's response says, Sons of Israel, trust in the Lord. Let it be our prayer today. Sons of Israel, trust in the Lord.